In this video, I will show you how to apply for a national insurance number in the UK. First, open Google Chrome and search Apply National Insurance Number. Click on the official gov.uk website. On the page, you'll see the instructions about identity documents, such as a passport or national ID card. If you don't have these, you can still apply, but you'll need to book an appointment to prove your identity. You may also need to upload digital photos of your documents and yourself, so make sure your phone or camera is ready. Next, click Start. Answer the questions step by step, such as whether you've applied before, if you're working or looking for work in the UK, your full name, nationality, date of birth, and UK address details. You'll also provide your phone number and continue following the instructions. At the end, you'll see a confirmation screen with your application reference number and details about booking an appointment. You must attend this appointment with your documents before your application can be processed. After that, you'll be contacted within 4 weeks with the result. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to How to Tutor.